Let's try to do addition within 20 using number bond and the 10 frames. We have here an addition sentence that says 8 plus 6 is equal to blank. Looking at the 10 frames that shows 8 and 6, how are we going to add this one? Some of you might think that we can count on, which is correct. So we can count on from 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next after 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's one way. Another way is if we can complete the 10 frame. Okay? How many more do I need to make 10? So from 8, how many more do I need to make it 10? Let's try to fill in the spot. 1, 2. So I got 2 from 6. Using the number bond, this became 2 and 4. And then the 8 and 2 was able to make 10. And I'm left with 4 there. And of course, 10 and 4 make 14. So the answer here is 14. Let's try to do another example. So we have here a number sentence that says 7 plus 5 is equal to blank. From the 10 frames, we have 7 yellow counters and 5 red counters. So we can add 7 and 5 easily if we will complete this 10 frame first. So we got 3 from the 5 and we're left with 2. And then the 3 and 7 make 10. So 10 and 2 make 12. Let's try to do this example. 6 plus 7 is equal to blank. So 6 and 7 make what? So from this, we can actually see that the red counters is only missing less than those yellow counter. So maybe we can transfer from the yellow counter to complete the 10 frame of the red counters. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the 6 here, we split into 3 and 3. Okay, and the 7 and 3 make 10. So 10 and 3 make 13. What if I have 12 and 4? So as you can see here, one 10 frame is already filled up. So I can actually split this into 10 and 2. Okay, then the other 10 frame is filled with 6 counters. So this one is 6. And so 10 and 6 make 16. Let's try another example. We have here 11 and 3 make blank. As you can see here, the 11 yellow counter it has already filled up one 10 frame. So that means 11 is 10 and we're left with 1 there. 10 and 1. So if I'm going to add these 3 red counters inside, it will become 4. So 10 and 4 make 14. So that's it with addition within 20 using 10 frames and number bonds. See you again on my next video.